Alright, let's look at some setup. I think for now, like the cleanest coin that I'm planning to long soon is BSV, because it's pretty much the only one which shows a clean bullish divergence on high time frame. We also have this parallel channel, this horizontal support, the 0.5 fib level. So yeah, a lot of reason for playing this BSV. I mean, if BSV goes up, like it's not gonna go up alone. Maybe a lot of coins are gonna go up as well, but I would play this chart because for me it's the one on which I have the most reason to go long. Okay. Another one which could be decent is probably Ethereum Classic. Okay. Where we have this trend line plus the 618 plus if we go one more low, we're gonna have bullish divergence as well with a 5 wave count here. Could be something to play. Link as well can be playable. We have this channel which may act as a support here, and on small time frame we could have what is a flat here, so one last lower low and before we go up. But yeah, some other coins like for example TRX, I mean, looks horrible. Like there's no way I'm gonna even try to long something like this. You know, there's a lot of coins. The problem is that we don't have bullish divergence or anything. Like XTZ could be a play as well. Like we have this medium line of the channel which could act as support with the 0.5 fib level, and the parallel channel here could be a play. But as I said, I think I'm gonna focus on BSV for now. Alright, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye.